Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering your keyboard and plugging it into the Mac using the correct cable. If it uses Midi DIN, connect via an interface. Once done, install vendor drivers only if Mac OS needs them. Drivers resolve firmware communication and low latency. Next, launch Mainstage and load, or create a concert so Mainstage can detect inputs. Make sure audio Midi setup is reachable in utilities. You'll use it to confirm the device appears. This fast initial setup gets you ready to route Midi into Mainstage. Now configure Mainstage to receive the keyboard's Midi. You go to Mainstage Preferences, select Midi, and enable the device so Mainstage recognizes its messages. This ensures Note and CC data arrive. Then assign that device to the channel strip input, or set the strip to accept all channels, which simplifies testing. Make sure the channel strip's Midi input is not blocked by a Midi filter. Confirm activity by watching the transport bar's Midi indicator. If you need split zones, create multiple channel strips and map them to different Midi channels. Finish by loading an instrument plugin on the selected channel strip and testing playability. You'll hear notes when the channel's output and audio device are correct. Use Midi Learn for knobs or CCs so controls map intuitively. Once satisfied, save the concert and create a backup with Save As. If you don't hear sound, verify audio Midi setup shows the device, confirm Midi channel matches, reinstall drivers, try a different cable or USB port, and restart Mainstage. That single troubleshooting tip catches most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.